Yet a believer will lock himself for hours. You don't even understand it, but you know it's a sound, and that the realm of the spirit is resonating. My goodness, could it be, hear me, could it be that what you are saying is my destiny open up? Could it be that what you are saying is by September all my helpers show up? The sound of victory. You believe this? And God said, and there was. If you were created in the image of God, there will never be until you say. This is the implication of being made in the image and the likeness of God. You have to study how things manifested with God. And God said, not and God was around. Being around does not make things. You can be the neighbor of your destiny helper and he will never help you, because it's not being around, it is sending that sound. Some of you, your helpers are in the very department where you work, but just assuming that because you are there they should help you. No, there is a sound. Since 2016 the realm of the spirit has been waiting for that sound. That year finished, you did not send that sound, but prayer was made of the church unto God for him. An angel said, no way, for this one we've heard the sound.